Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Roblox error code 262. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first method, you simply need to click on the start button and you simply need to restart your PC and hopefully your issue will be resolved. But if you still find an issue, you simply need to log in into your Roblox account. So once you log in into your account, you simply need to click on this gear icon and you need to log out and you need to log back again and hopefully your issue will be resolved. But you still find an issue, you simply need to click on search and here you need to search for the run, click on run and here you need to search percentage local app data, click on OK. From here you need to find the temp. So let me find OK. And here you need to find the Roblox. So let me find Roblox. Okay, and you simply need to delete that. So no need to worry that because it is a temp file and hopefully your issue will be resolved. But if you still find an issue, you simply need to go back and search for the Roblox player. And here you need to click on open file location, click on Roblox player, and you need to click on show more options first. Okay, so let me close it. Okay, so here you need to click on show more options, click on properties. Here you need to go on to the compatibility and here you need to click on run this program in a compatibility mode for click on apply and OK. And hopefully your issue will be resolved. But if you still find an issue, you simply need to go back and you need to search for Microsoft Store. Click on that. So wait for a few seconds because it is now opening. Okay, so here you need to search for the Roblox. Click on that. Click on that Roblox again. And you need to reinstall the Roblox again and hopefully your issue will be resolved. So let me know in comment section which method worked for you. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.